All right, Jay, just Kev again, bro. I'm about to hit you up. Let me get set up here for just a second. All right. Here we go with the chart on what you was looking for. This is these are my option trades right here. I got going. I got out a charge point, but these are the two. All right, here go your list here. Now, one of the reasons why I really wouldn't mess with Bitcoin right now, because when you take a look at the chart, I'm gonna open the chart up for you. So when I'm looking at when I look at Bitcoin, and this is the hourly chart on Webull. Even though it's coming up right here, it's a little power move that is coming back. But I will wait till it gets to about 35, 36,000. See, at least right then you have like a little semi-double top right here. And this is the 23rd of this month. So when it comes back up to here, maybe about 35,000 or even 40 would be a double top, which means it may be on the upswing. Let's take a look at the daily chart. See how that look? See, when you look at it like this, damn it. All right, there we go. When you look at it like this, does Bitcoin look like it's time to invest in? Right here, this was at the top when it was 64,000 per Bitcoin. And I can tell you right now, because I got out around here, this was, I forgot when it was. I think here it is, 510. This is around the time that Elon Musk had said that Tesla wasn't going to be accepting Bitcoin. And look, the money that we have in Bitcoin was on its way up, about to get back up to its highest point, and then it's dropped. The problem with Bitcoin is no billionaire should have that kind of power over the price of Bitcoin. That's my only problem with it. So what I would do with Bitcoin, like I was saying, I think I said in the earlier video, wait till it took about 40 racks, $40,000 per Bitcoin. At least it showed that it's on some good momentum going back up. So what I would do is I would go ahead on and set my alert. I have no idea what's going on with my Webull alert today. I think it's my signal sucks. But I will set my alert and just let me know. I'll do it later. Let me know when it gets to about 45,000 a share. Now, what was the other one? RIOT. And this is your list. I still got your list right here. You do have there is a couple of option trades right here, especially with Penn, Virginia. I think I like that. I'm gonna tell you why in a second. JNUG. See, same thing here. Look at the daily chart. Same thing here. I wouldn't even play with it till it gets to about $95 a share, even though it got a lot of upside, and the companies may be good. I mean, it might be good investments you're looking at. It's just not time. You can't time the market. But one of the things you can definitely do is get a better idea of how things flowing, when you're looking at the money. And here's JUNG. See, this don't look, this ain't ready at all. Now, if you got change in it, I wouldn't trip on it because it just probably took a dip. And it took a dip. It looked like all of them taking that dip around the same time. So let me go to the daily chart. Damn. And if they're rolling with, if it mirrors crypto, if some of these mirror crypto and cryptocurrency down, then if they reflect each other, then that kind of answers the question with the riot and some of these blockchain crypto companies. And here's riot again. See what I'm saying? Riot. Maybe when they get up to about, where's that 32, we won't try that. I'm gonna try it. Personally, I'll look at it to try to get on it on the upswing about $34, or maybe top out right here about 38. Look at the 15-minute and the hourly chart. Let me take a look at the hourly. Yeah, see how it's rolling? Now it's toying around the 20-day moving average, which is this blue line. The chart gives you a good idea of how the money moving. Companies can be good. The charts tell you how the money moving. And here, this one here, Penn, Virginia. I still got your whole list right here, big brother. Penn, Virginia, look at that. Now, if you look at Penn, Virginia, check it out here. It's in good line for an options contract, right? Might be an okay for an option. When you look at the option trades, right now the options look like they're going for about $215 on this one. Is showing on Webull, but if you go to August, I would definitely look at that's a nice little trend there. Starting back from last month on the 4th, it went from $12 a share up into 25. See, if you would have had that option there for a month, would have been real sweet. That'd have been a sweet ass option. Because you could have flipped off that pretty good. Let me line back up. All right, so depending, I would do my, do your homework on Penn. I know you had it on your watch list, but it might be maturing, It looked like it got a little action. It's still above the 200-day moving average, which is this blue line here. See the trend there? This is what we're looking for when we invest in our money. A lot of people like to say, oh, this company, this company, that. Just let me know when you can have a good company. You just won't see when the time is for it to mature or when the money's moving, because we want some action on our money to gain some interest if we can get in close as possible. And then we can always look at our risk when it starts touching this blue line. If it dips below the 200-day moving average, that's something different. But if it's hanging around, that's not bad. Also, Webull will give you these analyst reports. Look at this. This is what Webull saying. It's gonna say, it's a buy recommendation buy. This is the people that they think. I never go by recommendation. It make you feel good about your own decisions, but you can also follow the money. You know how that goes. We talked about that already. But I mean, Penn, Virginia might have some action, man. I have to look into it and do some research on it and see how it look. Let's see what Peabody was doing. See Peabody. That, but I wouldn't even out. That's Peabody Energy. See the thing with these stocks that's under $10, you gonna get a little dollar. That's why I usually try to stick into the stocks that's above $20, even though you can come on an upswing with the energy stocks. But you also got to find out how this, how the stimulus money gonna move. Because now the next thing I'm gonna start looking into is infrastructure. Who gonna get those damn contracts with these federal money flowing? You have steel companies, American Steel, solar panels. You go have shit like wind farms. Whoever getting that stimulus money, they're gonna get some profit especially when you got government contracts. I'll hit you up later, man. I'm gonna dip back into this. Oh, look, these are the two option trades I got going right now. Hancock Bank, that's where the exit work at now. So now I got her and the old man making some money for me. I always send her a text too and tell them, y'all keep up the good work, you bitch you. But anyway, PAGS, that's doing good for me now. I got in those options the other day. I got 3 contracts here, and I'll go through, and this is yesterday. So if I get a good week next week, I should see some good profits. And I'm going to walk you through that in a minute. Holler at me later, man. Look, give me whatever stocks you want me to look over. I'll look over them for you, man. That's not a big deal. I'll hit you up.